Car is Ford, but Ford is not car. The Henry Ford who started the company, he's not a car. Car is Ford. Similarly, everything, you see, Krishna is saying, I am in one sense everything, but I am independent. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Krishna is not under these gunas. When he comes into this world, he is not a sattvic person. No, he is beyond. I am in one sense everything, but I am independent. He is everything. That does not mean everything is him. He is everything, but everything is not him. Prabhupada said, the Ford car company. The car is Ford, but Ford is not car. The Henry Ford who started the company, he is not a car, but the car is Ford. Similarly, everything, you see, Krishna is saying, I am in one sense everything, but I am independent. This also is reiterated in the 9th chapter. Maya tatamidam sarvam jagat avyaktamurtina matsthani sarva bhutani nachaham teshvavasthitaham. By me, in my unmanifested form, this entire universe is pervaded. All beings are in me, but I am not in them. Next verse also. Nacha matsthani bhutani pashyame yogamaishwaram bhutabhrinnacha bhutastho mamatma bhutabhavanaham. And yet everything that is created does not rest in me. Behold my mystic opulence. Although I am the maintainer of all living entities and although I am everywhere, I am not a part of this cosmic manifestation, for myself is the very source. So he is everywhere, but still he is not a part of this cosmic manifestation. How? It's very difficult for us to understand. Like when Mother Yashoda saw into the mouth of Krishna. This happened on earth. But then when she looked into the mouth, there was the entire universe, millions of universes, and in that millions of universes, this one universe she saw, and in that one universe there are millions of planets, then this one planet she saw, and in the one planet she saw herself looking into Krishna's mouth, inside Krishna's mouth. This is, what is this? Nowadays they call this meta, inside the same thing, inside. It's like, how is this even possible? How can you look into into somebody's mouth and see the whole creation inside that mouth, and inside that mouth see yourself there looking into Krishna's mouth? I mean, how? So this is achintya. Achintya means chintana. Chintan means to think. Chintya means that which can be thought. That which can fit in our mind. Achintya means you cannot think about it. We cannot capture it within our thought. We cannot. That is the definition of God. God should be achintya. If we can conceive God, if we can wrap our head around God, that is not God. We cannot wrap around Him. We cannot capture Him. We can capture Him by love. Like Mother Yashoda, she tied Him up. With love only. With devotion. Not anything else. She did not tie Him with a rope. So, I am not part of this cosmic manifestation. So this is Krishna's unique position. We cannot say the same for ourselves. We cannot say that, I am in this universe, but I am also outside of this universe. Please. Then you will be inside the mental hospital and not outside.